Yo, what's up everybody? Another video here, just getting ready to get the Lexus IS300 here towed away for where the motor is. Got a couple weeks away yet before the installation happens, but just want to get the car over there sooner the better. And yeah, just have everything ready. It's just part of the process, and that's what we'll be doing today. Enjoy. Here's the Lexus new home for the next probably couple months. Next to the badass Impala that my stepdad built. Hopefully this will have enough power to take that one day. We'll see. Alright, thanks for taking the time to check things out. Nothing really special in this video, very short. More or less just a teaser getting you guys ready for the big show in the next couple weeks here, so stay tuned, alright? Check you later.